Yeah, hi Charles. So welcome back to my channel.
Welcome.
So I'm just going to create one loader for you, and it will be, you can also call this a spinner when you are clicking somewhere and it's taking some time, so you can show this loader. So let's
Okay.
create with the this eclipse ellipse and sorry and keep shift key, and so it will become in the 1:1 ratio. So it complete circle, and now you can see this here, this arc. When you click on this one, it will be so like pie chart, and now you can, when you click on this center, you can allow you to create as hollow. Now you can just merge this one to this one, so make it a complete shape. I'm going to change this color to gradient, and using the angular one, changing this color to different one. You can change any color. Okay, and now
Okay.
I'm going to convert this into a component, and I need four variant of this component. I'm just going to add variant 1, 2, and let's do one more. 3, put it here, and 4, put it here, like this. Okay. So we have a component with the four variant. So now what I'm going to do, that we need to change this angle, not the component. We have to change this shape angle. So just double click on, select the shape, and change this to 90 degree. Then same for this one, double click to select this shape and change this to 180 degree, and select this shape and change this to 270 degree, that is -90. And now we have to go to the prototype section, link this one to this one, and change this method to after delay, not 800 millisecond duration, 1 millisecond. Change this instant to smart animate, and change this to one to linear. We have to do this to same to all. Here also change this to after delay, 1 millisecond, linear, that's correct. Go to here,
Okay.
change this to after delay, and this is 1 millisecond, and this one to change this to here, after delay, 1 millisecond. That's all, because I have just link this to the first one, so it will be in the loop. So our loader is
Yeah.
completed and it is ready for work. So I need only one frame, so we can show the loader. I have created one frame. Go to the assets. Our component is ready. Just drag and drop here. Okay, and just play. So this is your loader.
Okay.
It's very simple, and you can create lots of multiple type of
Yeah.
loader.
Very nice one indeed.
Yeah, that's all. Thanks, Al. Thanks for joining us.